Hi friends, if you're also facing this kind of Wi-Fi issue on your laptop where none of your Wi-Fi networks are showing, then to fix this you simply need to click on the network and internet settings, and here you can see on the left side the micro Wi-Fi icon is not showing, only the LAN connection is being displayed. To fix this, we will first click on the troubleshoot option, and from here you can see it is showing that there is an issue with the Wi-Fi adapter. So you just need to click on try repair, and as you can see the Wi-Fi icon has started to appear, and when you look behind you will see that the Icon is visible.